Hey guys, welcome back to Fit at the 50. Welcome to today's workout. This is the essential dumbbell workout you can do at home for adults. What makes it important is that we're going to try to elevate our feet or our heels on many of the exercises, really take a lot of pressure off the joints and also improve our mobility. We're starting off with the goblet squat, heel elevated. You don't have to use a board, you can use a book, you can use a 2x4, you can use anything you got. We're getting going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You got the dumbbell in front of you, squat down and come back up. The intervals today are 60 seconds long, 30-second rests. I want you to go nice and easy, as much range of motion as you can. The range of motion will probably improve throughout the workout. Like I said, if you can elevate your heels or something here, perfect. If you don't have to, don't, if you have enough mobility. I don't, however, and elevating my heel really helps get a better range of motion. 20 seconds left. Some of these exercises I will use a dumbbell, some I might not use any weights at all. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. First exercise is done. We get 30-second break. I'm gonna flip this on over and we're gonna go, not just me, we're working out together, with forward lunges. So one leg forward and you're just gonna pump and pump, just in place. You don't have to step back at all. I'm gonna grab a little lighter weights for this, maybe 20s, and we'll get going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step forward and one leg and just stay right here. Best range of motion that you can do. We're not looking to build huge muscle here, we're looking to maintain and build a little bit of strength. Stay mobile. 1 minute is a long time with these. Take your time and pace yourself. Good range of motion. About 20 seconds left, keep it up. Once again, if you have something to elevate your foot on, your front foot, that's great. If not, that's quite all right too. 3, 2, 1, last one and relax. 30 seconds off and we'll switch legs. So whatever leg you started on, do the other one. We have 11 exercises today. Same interval, 60 on, 30 off all the way throughout. So the workout is about 16, 17 minutes long, plus my little intro, 17-minute video, nice and easy. All right, we get going in 5 seconds. Grab those dumbbells, switch legs, 3, 2, 1. Step forward and give me the other side. Nice and control. Keep it up. You can let that front knee extend past your toe, it's quite all right. More range of motion, more better. Ten seconds left, stay right here. Keep on killing those quads. 3, 2, 1, last one, and we're done with this exercise. All right, 20s down. Board away for now. Clear floor. We're going to the staggered squat. So one foot just in front of the other, just a little bit. You're just gonna squat down and come back up. Pick whatever weights you want. If you want to assist it with the band, you can grab the band and the dumbbells, the band by itself, or whatever works for you, whatever equipment you have. So So one foot in front of the other, and just go down and back up. Don't worry, we'll switch legs after the 1 minute. Keep going. "20 seconds left, keep it up. "10 seconds, stay with me. 3, 2, 1, last one. All right, take a 30-second break, put those weights down, relax, shake it out a little bit, going to switch sides. So I was left foot forward, now I'm gonna be right foot forward. Just a little bit, like I said, staggered, just a little. Whew. Oh yeah, feeling on the quads pretty good. All quad exercises so far. All right, we get going in 5, 4, 3, switch sides, switch legs, 2, 1, squat down and back up. Less than 30 seconds left, keep going. Down and nice control up. Down and up, 15 seconds left. Keep squatting, guys. Three, 2, 1, and relax. All right, guess what? We're doing more squats. Regular squat, called suitcase squat. Basically, dumbbells in your both hands. Feet forward, squat down, and squat back up. You know, I thought I was gonna use 30 for these. Some days, 30s are called for, so today's 20s are the answer. We'll leave the 30s here. Make him look pretty, a little bit lonely. All right, 3, 2, 1. Grab your weights. Give me a suitcase squat, so down, and up. Just as though we're picking up a suitcase. Or suitcases, since we have 2, right? Down, let the dumbbells touch the ground a little bit, and up. Down, and up. "30 seconds, keep going. Down, up, down, up. 20 seconds, and up. Down, and up. Down, and up. Looking good. 10 seconds left. And up. 2, 1, and those are done. All right. More lunges. It's a very lunge heavy workout today. Not lunge heavy, that's later, lunge heavy. All right, backward lunge, single leg. I'm gonna swing it back, hold on to the weights. If you're not using any weights on this, quite all right. This is already a pretty difficult exercise. If you are using weights, single leg. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. 30-second break, we'll switch legs. Ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And up. Down, up, down, keep going, down, up, come on. Concentrating more on the glute and the hamstring. especially the more forward you lean. Down, up, looking good, down, up, keep it up, and up. Ten seconds left, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, last one, and weights down. Whew. All right, guess what? The other leg coming up, 25 seconds. Whew. We have about 6 minutes left of this leg workout. We got this now. It feels good. I'm a little bit out of breath. My legs are on fire. Heart's on fire, you know. Feel good. I hope you're feeling good. 5 seconds, guys. Grab those dumbbells. Let's get ready. Opposite leg, what you did before. For me, it's right leg back. Forty seconds left. Keep going. 20 seconds. Keep it up. Keep moving. I promise we're almost done with the lunges. No, we are done with the lunges in 14 seconds. Keep it up. Two, one, and now we are done with the lunges. I'm not gonna need the 20s anymore. I'm gonna use the 30s. We have RDLs or another Eastern European country, Eastern Bloc, I should say, the Romanian deadlift. Grab the dumbbells, basically sliding down your legs. Keep your legs pretty straight, not quite locked out. Up, down, control movement, control motion. Let's go, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute, down, and back up. Down, and up. Notice where my dumbbells are at. They're sliding down my leg. It protects the lower back. You want that weight nice and close to you. And up. Butt's going back, and up. As soon as that butt stops going back, and you still have your knees pretty straight, you come back up. Down. Up. Protect that lower back. Slide those dumbbells around your legs. 20 seconds left. Down. And back up. Come on, down. And up. Keep it going, keep it going. 15 seconds. Down. And beautiful, looking good. 10 seconds. Down. And up. 3, 2, 1, let's do one more. 1, and we are done with this. All right, we are moving on to the most neglected part of the leg probably, calf raises. I'm gonna use my slant board. You can use your 2x4, you can use your book, you can use a stack of CDs. Those are a little dangerous. I'm gonna do one leg at a time. We're gonna be up, down, nice and slow on these. I'm gonna hold on to this wall. Safety first, as they say. 3, 2, 1, up and down. One leg at a time. Put the other foot behind you and go. Long time on the way up, long time on the way down. Don't rest too long on the bottom. Just up, down, up, down, up, down. Here we go, up. Hold it. Keep constant tension on those calves, guys. Keep it up. 30 seconds left. I want walking difficulties with stairs, not speaking. Let's go. We're almost done. Keep it up. Keep it up. 10 seconds. My calf's starting to cramp. I can do it. I can make it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna step up before I cramp up and fall to the ground like an idiot. All right, we got one exercise left. Guess what? The opposite leg, and then we are done with this leg exercise. God, I can't speak today. 20 seconds, we get going again. Up, on the way down, short rest on the bottom. Now once you're resting, up, squeeze, and then back down. Ready? We got 5 seconds, we get going, get ready. Whatever you're standing on, or if you're on the floor, perfectly fine. 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, up, short, very short rest on the bottom. Wow. Explode up, slow on the way down. Explode up and down. Hold on to something if you have to. Quite all right, and down. Up and down. Keep it up. Squeeze that calf. Up, down. Come on, guys. Down. Up, down. Up, down. Keep it up, down. Work those legs. You should really work your legs more than you do anything else. Your legs, if you trip, you start falling. If you have good leg muscles and they respond quickly, you can stop yourself from hitting the ground. When you get up there, falling from, like I am, 5'9", seems a lot farther when I'm 53 than when I was 13. Anyway, guys, that's it. That's our essential adult leg workout. Because I like doing this once or twice a week. Keeps the legs sharp, keeps them strong, keeps them from getting weaker, improves your mobility, does all of it. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. I take you through all these workouts right here from my basement, twice a week on Monday and Thursday. I hope you come back for more, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.